It's nice they even painted the inside blue of the trunk. Almost perfect. And always remember to break the lug nuts loose while it still has the weight on the ground with gravity. Once you put it up on the jack, the tire will spin, and then it will be very difficult to break those lug nuts loose unless you can somehow stick a flathead in the brake rotor and all that, but it probably won't work. Alright guys, if you don't have the thing to break your tire loose with, that comes in the back of your car, I have everything else, but I don't have the big old black tire iron. I don't have the tire iron to turn it. So you can put this on the socket like this, get it in this position right here, and then you're gonna put this one, and you put this one. That's how you do it, like that. Let's do 11. Don't get stranded on the road. Tinker and Tom, peace.